Hey everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at MarketPlace. Now to access the MarketPlace, all you have to do is go up to Apps and then scroll down under Others and click on MarketPlace. What's so cool about the MarketPlace is you can go in here and take a look at all of the digital products available and purchase them for yourself or for your business. And or you could take any of these products and start promoting them as an affiliate and earn commissions that are noted right here, right below the product. Now, on top of that, what's so super cool is you can create your own products and add them right here to the marketplace, set commissions, and have others just like you start promoting your products and making you money. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do first is let's just take a quick look at this right here, at this first product. We're going to go ahead and click on this tile. Now, here is the commission that you can earn if you promote this specific product. Now, if you want to buy it, just click on the link. And if you want to promote it, scroll down right here. You'll see promote this product. An affiliate link will be created. Go to copy link. Go ahead and open up a new window inside your browser and paste it. Now, I want to call your attention to this number right here, which is your Builderall affiliate ID number. Now, that is going to ensure that you get paid out commissions on any product that you promote inside the Builderall marketplace. Now, let's get started. Okay, so to get started, there are actually two ways that you can get started. We can click on right here to the Cheetah website builder and start building, or I'm going to go back into the marketplace. And right where all of the digital products were listed here, at the very top, there are 10 steps. So you can always use these 10 steps to reference or actually go back to this video. And just so you know, you can actually get started by just clicking on Create Product right here, which is going to do the exact same thing and take you into the Cheetah Builder where you can get started in creating your first sales page. Now, let's go right up here to Create New Site. I'm going to select Professional Templates. Now, the product that we're going to be focusing on or building is a digital product to help with credit restoration or credit repair. So sometimes there might be a one-off where you just try to find the best template that fits the type of business that you're looking to launch. So for this example, I'm going to select a template from SiteExpress. So when I go down to SiteExpress, I'm going to go right here and select this one right here, Credit Recovery SiteExpress. I'm going to select this one here. And that is going to open up the website template where I have only one page. Now from here, you want to do the basics, right? You want to go ahead and just rename it and set this all up. But the next thing you're going to want to definitely do first is, in order to get you going and in order for everything to just work correctly, right? You're going to want to go in here and create an actual product inside Super Checkout. Now, if this is your first time going into Super Checkout, you have to go in here and enter your business information, and then we'll go next to create a product. All right, so I've gone in here and I've keyed in all of my information inside the business information tab. Now that I've completed this, I can go ahead and select save, and now I can move on to creating a product for the marketplace. Now to create a product, all you have to do is select create a product. Now I'm going to go and show you exactly the product that I have already created. Now it'll still kind of walk you through the exact same steps that you'll see when you select create product. But instead, I'm going to go ahead and select edit. Now, when you first go in and create a product, this is what you're going to see. Everything's going to be blank. So you'll go in and add a product name, the language. You'll go in here and add a product description, the type, and then the category. Then you'll go through each one of these steps by simply clicking on the blue button, next. Now, this is a critical part right here. Now, if you're already selling, chances are you've already selected a gateway like PayPal or Stripe. Now, in order to use or sell in the marketplace, you have to select Builderall Gateway. So if you do not have Builderall Gateway here, you're going to want to click on the plus here, select Builderall Gateway, and then just simply go through each one of these terms here to make sure that you fully understand how this is going to work. Then you'll go in here and you'll see your login to your own Builderall account. And here you can give it a name or a title of maybe the specific product that you'll be selling on the marketplace. Once you're done there, you could just simply click OK. Now, since I've already have that set up, okay, I'm going to go ahead and just exit out of here. And I'm going to make sure that I've got a check mark here. When you have a check mark here, everything down below this will change, okay? In order to sell inside the Builderall marketplace, you have to have 2 tiers of affiliate commissions. So here is level 1, which we have set at 30%, and here's level 2, which we have at 20%. Next, you're going to want to make sure that you have this check mark right here selected, which is Builderall Marketplace enabled. This is going to allow your product to be reviewed and approved for the marketplace. Down here, please make sure that you select USD United States dollar and then set your refund period. Again, as a seller inside the marketplace, you're solely responsible, as indicated with a couple notes inside the Builderall gateway on how to handle the refunds and returns. Okay, and then right down here, you'll go in and place your price. So all you have to do from this point is just continue going through all of these steps. Now you won't have to worry about affiliation because you're already set to the BA affiliation system. Then all you got to do is just select your checkout, which is my new 2-step checkout is what I've selected. And I'm going to keep this rather simple for the sake of this tutorial. Next, you can go into your email campaign area and select an email list for this specific product. You can go through here and again answer these little questions here. Select next and then go to restricted areas. Don't have to worry about any restricted areas. And here is where you can go in and select anything that's applicable. Okay, next is your terms of use. Just go through here, make sure you're in full understanding of the terms in use. Once you've accepted the terms in use, go ahead and click here, I accept the terms and conditions, and click on Update Product. And here you go. You'll be notified via email once your product is available inside the marketplace. All right, now that your product has been created, it's going to show up right here under My Products. Now what we want to do is go ahead and select links. Remember at the beginning of the video, when I clicked on a specific product inside the marketplace, there was an option to make a purchase of that product or grab hold of an affiliate link so that you can start promoting that product. Well, to purchase the product, you could just simply take a look at this one right here, copy this into your website, which is what we'll do. And then here is the actual affiliation link that will be created and be provided to anyone looking to promote your product. So next, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and take this checkout URL. We're going to copy this. Okay. Going to go ahead and close this. Now what I want to do is go into my website where I have added 2 additional pages since the last time you saw. I added a thank you page and I added an affiliates page. Now we're not going to really look into these at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the actual page. Okay, so this is my actual website page that is going to be linked to the specific product inside the marketplace. Okay, so the way they're going to purchase that product is actually go right down here to this button and make the purchase. So I've copied that link that I showed you earlier. I'm going to go ahead and right click here, select set link. Then I'm going to go right here to super checkout, refresh list. And then from the drop down menu, you'll see the specific product for sale. And there you go. Gonna select and save. And we're all set. So anytime a purchase is made, when they go to the buy now inside the marketplace, they're going to come to this website and go through however it is you have the website set up to make the purchase. And or if someone's looking to promote your product, the only difference is the affiliate link that they share to sell and promote your product is going to have their specific Builderall affiliate code. And that is how easy it is to go inside the Builderall marketplace and start selling your digital products. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.